Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I welcome you to this session. We are going to look at ICT, that's paper 2, which was done 2025, the Ghana National Examination Board, that is this year, and that was paper 2. And this paper, of course, instruction, you have to attempt 5 questions, and we are going to look at all of them. However, today we're going to attempt only item 1. Okay, that is question 1, and that's about word processing. You're going to answer as a candidate must answer 3 questions. Any additional question is not going to be marked, so don't do that. They are provided us with the support file because it is on a desktop. We're going to use it, and you are provided with a blank compact CD and or a DVD. You're going to use a marker to write on the CD, and actually you need to produce a hard copy afterwards. So these are the 3 questions in this paper, but we're going to attempt all. But for today's session, we're going to look at this question 1. Use the word processor to type the text below. Save it as your name and personal number. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to come here to our desktop, and you're going to look at this support file which is provided with us, and you see how it looks like. So these are the images which we're going to use inside these are the images which are provided in the support file, so we can always select any of our choice. Then we can come to logo, publisher, that is I think about publishing. Then we have other 2 files which we can look at. Here we have hardware and midi-max, but according to our question, it is only asking us to type the content directly. That means inside the support file there is no file about word process. That means it's a direct question. So we're going to start by creating a folder on the desktop. Of course, I need to name it James Faizo. That's my names. James Faizo. That is 501. Then after that I'm going to open it. So inside the empty folder I'm going to right click, then I come to new, I open word processing. Of course I have to rename it still with my names, James Faizo 501. So that's my next number, then I enter. So here, according to the question, of course it tells us to use the word processor to type the text below as it is. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna type this content. Let's place this here. Yeah, I'm gonna type this. Here we are. So you're gonna start and say in the fertile fields of Uganda, there are the first gunshots of a possible answer to the food crisis. we stop animation. Let's assume I've finished typing the whole thing. So my speed was a bit faster, so like, then after we save the changes. So after that, after typing it the way it is, as you can see here, after typing it, first paragraph, there are basically 3 paragraphs, as you can see. Then add a drop cap on end of the paragraph. So before, I think according to the content or the text, it's a bit bigger and it's in Times New Roman. So we are going to first change that to that. We're going to We're going to select all. We'll come to increase the font to around 14 there. Then we come to the font face. Then we change to Times Roman. I think that's how our text seems to look like once that is done. So we're gonna come here, text question number 1. According to the question here, it says add a drop cap on any one paragraph of the text. So here you need to make a choice. You can use this one, or you can use this or this one. So let me use this. Let me use the third. Let me use the first. Let me use the first paragraph. Now we're gonna come to insert. From there, then we come and insert a drop cap. We'll tap on drop cap there. Come to drop to there. So that's how the drop cap is inserted. So once that is done, we come to another question. Convert the second paragraph into 2 columns. So here you just come to the second paragraph, you highlight it, then you come to page layout. From there you come to columns, then you select 2 columns. I think that is actually what was expected. Then from there you're gonna come to the next question, which says add a suitable title to the text and enhance it accordingly. So they want us to put a title here. So gonna come here, add a suitable title to the text and enhance it accordingly. So you're gonna come here, up here, on top here, you're gonna come sorry. So we need to have this space here. So we are going to insert our title according to the, you can name it Green Revolution or the Green Revolution as our title. You can look for any name of your choice, but you can name it the Green Revolution in Uganda, but you can get any title. They have told us to enhance it, so we're going to highlight it. We're going to first make it bold. We can increase its font to around 16. We can centerline it. We can give it a color, maybe blue. We can make it a bit bigger to 18. We can even underline it. You can use a thick one like that. So I think that's enough. Then after that we go to another question. Use appropriate word features, cross out the last statement in the document and add a comment to the crossed out statement. So here we're gonna come here, to the last statement. I think this is the last statement, the source. So we're gonna close it out by using a strike through feature, which is this one. So strike through, click on it, it's gonna strike this one through. As you can see that line. Then instead they've told us to add a comment on it. So then we come to review. That's where you're gonna find a comment. Click on new comment. So we put the comment here. It is, you can just see it is a reference as our comment. So once that is done, we come back to our question. Create a border around the text of the second paragraph. So you're gonna go to the second paragraph, then this is the second paragraph. You're gonna come to home, then you put the border there. You can use the outside border. Simple as that. Then we come to the next question. Create insert an image from the image folder as a watermark. So here we're gonna come here, come to page layout, we come to watermark. So this time around you're going to use custom watermark. Wait it to load, because here we're going to use a picture, and that means we're going to get images from the folder or from the support file. Then here, instead of selecting text, you're going to select picture. Then we come to select picture. That's like it's going to browse this to our, so we're going to select desktop. We come to the support file, we come to our images, then here we can look for any green resolution. We can either use image 14 or we can use image 13. Let's use image 13. Insert. Then here click apply. Then we close. So this is the photo. I think you can see it under the watermark. As you can see, it is act as a watermark, as you can see. Then after that, you're gonna come to our next question. Include a photo of your name. First, we're gonna come to insert. We come to footer here. You tap on the footer. Basically, you can consider the first line. We type our names there, which for user 501. So that is it. You close head and footer. So here it is. Lastly, save and print all your work. So here we're gonna click the save button, Ctrl+S, or you can come and click on this press save button on the quick access toolbar. Then after you come to file, that is if you want to print your work, then you come and tap on print. This is how your work gonna look like once it is printed out. So that is it. Let's meet in the next session. That is when we handle question number 2 of this very paper. Assalamu alaikum.